Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are like me and you love to make custom greeting cards for your friends and family, then you've got to check out these WooYangFun anniversary stamps. So a set of anniversary stamps was actually missing from my stamp collection, and I feel like these just fill that gap so nicely. I love that it has some different things that you can use. So of course you have your happy anniversary. You have all of the major years that you can add. So you can do happy 10th or 15th or 20th anniversary. It also comes with this beautiful large stamp of a couple dancing, which I think is just such a nice addition to my anniversary cards. And it has this really nice phrase, marriage is a dance between two people to a song that never ends. So I have made several anniversary cards using these stamps, and I think they've all just come out really beautifully. I love the variety, and I'm super happy with these, and that's my point of view.